pride makes you stupid. Pride causes you to destroy your closest relationships by fighting over things that don't even matter. Ang garbo, magpainabo, nga ikaw muguba sa imong pinakasuod ng mga relasyon, pinaagi sa pagkibingkil, pagkilalis, kabayan sa mga butang nga dali importante. Pride makes you dumb. Pride makes you insane. It causes you to do things that just don't make sense. Magpainabo nga ikaw maghimo sa mga butang nga way klaro. Magpainabo nga ikaw makiguway kabayan sa mga butang nga dali importante. Ug sa katapusan madawat ang mga relasyon. Pride will make you dumb, make you stupid, and ultimately pride will destroy you. Are you listening? Ang garbo mo guba kanimo, makadakot kanimo. Look at the end of the story. And the Gileadites took the passages of Jordan before Ephraim, and it was so that when those Ephraimites that which were escaped said, "Let me go over," that the men of Gilead said unto him, "Art thou an Ephraimite?" If he said, "Nay," then said they unto him, "Say now Shibboleth." And he said, "Sibboleth." For he could not frame to pronounce it right. Then they took him and slew him at the passages of Jordan, and there fell at that time of the Ephraimites 42,000. 42,000 Ephraimites died. Because pride makes you stupid. Can I ask you a simple question? What are you going to destroy through the insanity of your own pride? What is that? Unsa gupon nimo? Unsa madaot nimo? Unsa gupon nimo pinaagi sa kabuwang sa imong garbo? Whatever you're upset about is not as important as the relationship it is damaging.